Hi everyone, Letty here, Party Planner Papery. I have another Happy Planner clearance item haul. This one was the Disney collab with Happy Planner for the Little Mermaid. It's a classic notebook box. Welcome back everyone. So I have another little small haul from the Happy Planner. And so I actually had hauled a couple of bigger hauls, but and a lot of it was stuff that I had either already shown you, they just had continued to mark it down even further. So I went ahead and picked up a little bit of extra things. But as I was going through my items, I noticed that I had purchased this box and I had been looking forward to receiving it. And I looked at the price right now and it is down to $16.49, I think. And they're running, and it's on clearance, and they're running a sale for 20% off. So I thought, well, if you could get this same exact box right now for the next day or two for 20% off, that's like 13 bucks for everything that comes in this box. I thought that I had to at least try to show and share this part of the haul, even if you don't see all the rest of the stuff that I did purchase. So I wanted to just kind of show you real quick. This one is the Disney, it was a collab with Disney, and it's the Little Mermaid and the Happy Planner box. And so what comes in this box is a lot of different items. And again, for 13 bucks, even if you end up paying the 16 bucks, that is still a fantastic deal. So I believe that sale is running until the end of the year. So you may want to hop on that if you are interested in this specific box, because I'm sure they will run out, especially with it being so cheap. Now, here's what the inside of the box looks like. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual contents of the box itself. So again, it's on the Happy Planner's website. I have a link, I'll link it down below. And it is an affiliate link, so I think it helps you maybe with a coupon or something later, and then it definitely will help my channel as well grow at no extra cost to you. But look how beautiful this was. Like, did you see how that was wrapped up? Super pretty. This is gorgeous tissue, by the way. So bold and like vibrant as far as the colors. Now, on the inside, you do have a little insert here and it says ready to be heard. And so the one thing about this, the Little Mermaid, is it does not look exactly like the Little Mermaid that I grew up watching, the Ariel with the red hair, it looks a little different. And so I think it's more closer to the newer version of the Little Mermaid, which I think is still absolutely gorgeous, which is why I definitely did purchase this. Plus, it's a fantastic deal. So here is everything that comes in this kit. And again, right now it's on clearance, like super clearance. I think it's like 70 or 80% off. And it's like $16.49. And then it's going to end up being less if you buy it before the end of the year with the 20% off additional. So that is your insert. Now, it does come with a little notepad. And I think these are not sticky. Let's check it real quick. But I don't think it's sticky. I think it's just an actual notepad. Oh, it actually is sticky. So it does have a sticky right here. So it's actually a sticky notes, and it's a little shell, super pretty. We do have a bag. The amazing thing about this is that it has the elastic, so you could put it on your actual planner. And so here's what it looks like when you unzip. Beautiful, like teal color on the inside. I don't know if the camera's gonna do it justice, but it's gorgeous. And so that's fantastic. These things alone retail over 10 bucks. Like this little bag alone is going to be over $10, probably closer to 20. This is fantastic. Now we are going to have a ruler, like a bookmark. And this is gorgeous. Explore everything. These are such gorgeous colors. I think that's the beauty of it. And it has the snap, so you could snap it in. And I think you get a classic of everything in here. So everything is like fit for a classic. You do have some envelopes. And so this is pretty. And so, like I said, I think these are closer mimicking the more like the remake, like the live action Little Mermaid that they just came out with. Here's this one. And again, this is an envelope. Okay. And then you've got this one, Beach Baddies. Look at that. Super cute. And then you've got this one, Sea Witch. Super, super cute. So you got 3 envelopes. Then we've got a sticker book. Look how massive this sticker book is. Like, this is just massive. So it says we have 205 stickers in here. Here's a little still shot of everything that comes in that one. Super pretty. And Just as a quick, you got some alphas. Really pretty. These are like a clear sticker. Really pretty. More clears, and these are massive. Look at that. Look at that, like Ursula. Look at that. These are so pretty. I love, love, love the colors. These are really big stickers. Super, super big. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And it's like holographic, iridescent kind of. Really, really pretty. These are massive stickers. So you got 205 stickers that also come with that same 13 or 16 bucks. Then you've got some additional insert, like paper inserts, loose leaf paper. So it's already cut to the classic. Here's what it looks like. And there's the back, scuttle. So super, super cute. And then you've got a folder with already punched for the classic Happy Planner. Wow, this is fantastic. Look, it's got double pocket on both sides. And then you're gonna get a notebook. And I don't think it's an actual planner. I think it's just a notebook. Let me see here real quick. Yeah, so it's a classic notebook, but you can basically turn it into a planner with other inserts. So that might be why it's a little bit less expensive, because it is just a notebook as opposed to a planner. Okay, so let me take it out of the bubble wrap real quick. Okay, so here's what it looks like. My voice is a treasure, and it has this gorgeous, like a holographic metallic here. And you've got your discs, and they are purple, and they've got hearts on them. And it's sort of like a purple marble is what I would say, because it's not just straight purple. So this one actually is not a planner. It is just a notebook. But again, you could definitely turn it into a planner if you'd like. And it is discbound. I have my cover already starting to come off, but I gotta just put it back on. Here's what this looks like. Let me just show you real quick. So you're gonna end up getting 3 different dividers in here. So here is the first one. I think that is absolutely stunning. And look at the inside of this. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So then you've got, oh my goodness, look at that. Super pretty. And then you've got some paper. Look, you got the little shells and things on the side. And so all of it's gonna have, or each section will have the actual regular paper. You've got your next divider. That's pretty as well. Here's the back of that one. And then you've got some more. And again, it's just a bunch of individual paper, clear paper, solid paper. And then here is this one. And then here's the back of that one. Look how gorgeous this is. And then you've got some more of the actual solid paper. So this is, again, a classic notebook, a classic size notebook. But you could buy one of the like inserts, or you can even make your own inserts for an actual planner and add it in here and basically turn this into a planner for, again, 13 to 16 bucks, 16.50, something like that. You've got your notebook, you've got your folder, additional paper for your daily tasks, you've got your stickers, you've got your envelopes, you've got your bookmark, you've got a bag, and you also have a sticky notes. So all of those items, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items for $16 or $13 if you are able to purchase before the end of the year, which is 12/31 at, I guess, midnight. I'm not sure what time zone, but definitely worth a shot if this is something that you want. Again, I'll have a Happy Planner affiliate link down in the description box below. If you use it, it doesn't cost anything for you. It does help my channel grow though. I believe if you are a first-time purchaser, when you sign up using my link, I think you do get like an additional little coupon or something, but I'm not 100% sure. So, but anyway, if this is something that you want, I just wanted to make sure that I shared this because I saw it and I thought this was a fantastic deal. And then when I got it in and looked at all these gorgeous colors, I said, no, this is too pretty not to share. So I went ahead and wanted to kind of share that with you. And then that extra 20% off the clearance right now at the Happy Planner is just the cherry on top. So I hope you are inspired to go and check out these items or pull out the ones in your stash. I hope you enjoy this. Happy New Year. I hope everybody has a very safe and healthy and happy New Year. As always, happy crafting. Thanks so much for visiting, everyone. I'll leave my previous Happy Planner haul right here, just in case any of those items are still available. Happy crafting.